everybody, this is Anime Game Otaku 95. Last episode, Takuma and his friends discovered that a library building has mysteriously appeared into their world, and well, Aoi and Kaiju were taking a walk, and then she saw the library first, so she went inside to go see if there's anyone in there. But then she saw hallucination of Sasuke, who was trying to convince Aoi that it was her fault that Sasuke died, and she was trying to convince Aoi to kill herself. And I think this is part of Venomon's trap to trick Takuma and the others to go kill themselves, to make it easier to make sacrifices for the master. And now I need to figure out a way how to go save the other kids before they get tricked. So what's gonna happen next? Let's go play. Okay, I'm gonna go check if there's anyone in the far bookshelves. I better hope they didn't kill themselves. Not here either. Should I talk to Agumon what to do next? There's nobody here. Guys, where are you? Oh man, something tells me I went to the wrong place. And it kind of looks like the bookshelf got an exclamation point again. I'm gonna go check battle reception. Maybe Kaiju is right there. There's Kaiju. I gotta head over to him. Let me see. Nope. Kaiju, you're alright. It's so good to see you. We couldn't believe how fast you just disappeared. Yeah, I'm a bit out of myself. Hey, what the heck happened? Well, I mean, visions of Soji and Ryu showed up, and then you and Dragmon disappeared. Oh yeah, that one went down. Soji and Ryu came back, did they? What? Come back, he says. He doesn't realize there were hallucinations? What a couple of jerks. If you say, then say something already. Why, Takuma? Hey man, those two are... Who cares, man? Where's Miyu? I want to find one and get the heck out of here. Takuma, is he acting weird? Right. Something about this just doesn't seem right. Why can't I put my finger on it? Kaiju can be impulsive, but he has a suspicion size too. Still, he thinks the hallucinations of Ryu and Soji are real? And even Miyu is his top priority. He's not the one to disregard the others like that. Let's see. You trust those visions? Ryu and Soji those were hallucinations. Huh? Really? You didn't notice that, Kaiju? You serious, man? I didn't notice at all. Yeah, something ain't right. Not only that, Kaiju, what's Dragmon? Now that you mention it, he's gone. Ain't he? I don't know. Not if I kill anyway. So mean, how could you talk like that? What are you getting on my butt for? You choosers don't know when to quit. You ain't the real Kaiju. Say what? You hear what you're saying? Kaiju might have a mouth on him, but he cares a lot about his friends. Not to mention the fact that he never talk about Dragmon like that. Are you no hallucination, or maybe an enemy? Show yourself. Quit your grabbing! Takuma, he's changing! Uh-oh. Time to fight. I knew it was an enemy. Careful, Takuma, here he comes! Okay, I think there's only 2 of them, so... Let's see, guess I'll use you, and... Maybe I'll use you, because you're gonna need a level up. Oh no, there's 3 enemies. Okay, let's see. Oh no, there's 5! Oh no. Okay. Guess I'll move him here, and then I'll Digimon to Digimon. I guess I'll move over here, and then I'll attack. Guess I'll attack him again. And I'm gonna go move over there, cause I think Digimon needs some help. Oh, I didn't got an ultimate alignment thingy. Maybe I should have enough to Digimon Wall Groundmon. If I hope. We did, Takuma! Yeah, thanks, Agumon. So where could the real kaiju be? Hey, that voice! Oh, look in the shadows there! It's Kaiju and Drunkmon! Hey, you're right! Kaiju, Drunkmon, wake up! What? Takuma? Takuma, you alright, man? You got carried away by Wee and Josie and... Hey, calm down, man. I'm fine, honest. Did you guys see a vision too? Yeah, I guess so. My head's still spinning. So that was all illusion? A dream? To think Kaiju and Dragmon will be totally exhausted like this. They must seem something awful. Maybe they should stick around here for a while. You guys rest here. Me and Agumon will go look for the others. Sorry, man. We'll fall out with you soon. Until then, it's on you. Yeah, we're on it. Okay, I guess I have to go look through the bookshelves again, and then the fall bookshelf again. And there's a reception again. I'm gonna go check in the bookshelf area. Not here either. Should I talk to Agumon what to do next? There's something there. A shadow. Oh no. Should I do fight it? Okay, I guess I need to fight them, so... Okay, you need to be here. Come on, you need to level up a little bit more. You too, you need to level up more. You need to level up more. And you definitely need to level up more. Guess I'll put my defense here. Guess I'll move you aside, cause I think you need to be your way. Uh-oh. And she did. Yeah, I'm gonna go get this treasure because maybe I could get another ultimate scale thing. Nah, come on. Nah, man, that wasn't enough. Man, I wasted this time getting that treasure for nothing. think trying to get him as an ally is gonna be a waste of time, so I'm not gonna bother doing it. How did he miss? He was in front of me! Great. And I won. Nobody's here. We need to find someone soon. We could be in real trouble if we got attacked right now. Hey, even if we got ambushed and nobody else to help, I'll still fight as hard as I could. So chill, Takuma. Why? Thanks, Agumon. Professor!
教授がいるよ。幻を見せられているのか。違う、私は見捨ててなの。私は。教授、しっかりしてください。教授。教授、すごい汗だぞ。大丈夫？大丈夫だ。すまない、取り乱した。幻を見ていた。いや、幻というには作為的な内容だった。あれは幻ではない。意図して作り出されたものだ。苦しめ、弱らせることが目的なのか。心を追い詰め、しかし壊さないようにしている。子供たちだけでなく、私にも見せようとしたのは、その理由は。
The professor seems composed, but a bit failed too. He must be exhausted.
教授、タカ君、君にはすでに少し話しているが、改めて聞いてもらえるだろうか。はい。私の名前は水瀬秋春。
Wait, Akiharu, but Haru is kind of short for Akiharu, so.
50年前に行方不明になった水瀬みゆきの弟、春。
I knew it! I knew that professor was Haru the whole time. I mean, the first clues that I noticed was he keep mentioning about his missing sister, and then when I noticed Garurumon was having a grudge against the professor, and when he digivolved into real Garurumon, that's when I noticed that I assumed that the professor was Haru the whole time. I mean, how else Garurumon would have digivolved into real Garurumon?
教授のお姉さんで、教授春なの。
Between the professor's behavior, Miyuki's word, and the photo, I have a feeling. Still, it sounds weird to hear without coming out of his mouth.
みゆきが私の姉である。春が昔の私の姿をしている。私は今までそれらが元の世界に戻るために必要のない情報だと、むしろみんなに余計な気苦労をかけるだけだと思い込み、言葉を濁してきた。
ジジモンはみゆきに声を届けても、それは対症療法、その場しのぎでしかないと言っていた。いずれみゆきを倒さねばならない。それが本当なら、 教授とみゆきが兄弟だという情報はみんなに遠慮や迷いを忘れてしまって、
私も同じように考えていた。だがその思い込みは間違っているかもしれない。みんなにも伝えるべきではないかと、そう思えて。
I barely hope the other kids could understand about the professor's truth. Still, with everything going on at the moment, it's utter chaos in here. Is it really now the best time? We should at least wait until things calm down before he opens the can of worms. No way! Don't tell anyone about your secret.
間違ってなかったと思うんです。言ってもみんな混乱するだけだし、やっぱり隠していた方がいいんじゃん。
私もずっとそう考えてきたがね、その思い込みは間違っているかもしれない。これから何が起こるかもわからない。そんな状況だからこそ伝えるべきだと思ったのだ。レナモンの像を、レナモンが主についたこともおそらく私の過去と関わりがある。全てを救う鍵がみゆきであるならば、私の事情ももう無関係でいられるはずがなかったんだ。だから無事にこの図書館を脱出できたら、全てをみんなに打ち明けようと思う。私について、私の姉について、最初から全てを。
思い出せたんですね。
ああ、そうだ。今まで黙っていてくれてありがとう。そしてすまなかった。
So the professor remembers everything then.
わかりました。そのためにも捜索を手伝ってください。まだ見つかっている人がいるんです。葵さんのことも欲しいし、急いだ方がいいと思うんです。
彼女はサキ君のことで心を痛めていたからね。
Yeah, deeply effective. And if we don't do something, Ali's gonna end up falling into despair. And
確かに一刻も早くこの場所を出て落ち着ける場所に連れて行った方が良さそうだ。
急ぎましょう。
ああ、わかった。全力を尽くそう。
タクマ、任せたな。カイト、もう大丈夫？
すっかり平平みたいだぜ。だらさんのおかげでな。
役に立てたならよかったよ。みんなが無事で安心した。
all those Ali's she saved.
タクマ君から葵君の状況を聞いて心配していたよ。
それで葵さんは
今は少し落ち着いてるわ。さっき
She's still traumatized about Sasuke's death. Ali, she's secretly pale. Was she showing her own vision? And of Sasuke, from the sound of it, how awful.
全員と合流したら扉か窓を破って一度この建物を出よう。罠の中じゃ調べ物なんてできないよ。まずはここから逃げ出すことを考えるんだ。
お前たち人間はまたそうやって逃げるのか。
Renamon.
待ち伏せていたのか。
このまま逃がしては捕らえた意味もないだろう。無駄な抵抗はやめて早く生贄になってしまう。
待てよレナモン、お前の目的を教えろ。お前はみゆきを救いたいはず。みゆきが主に囚われた状態でも困るはずだ。なのになぜ主に加担する。主からみゆきを救いたくないのか。
呆れるばかりだ。君たちは本当に同じことしか聞かない。そのしつこさに免じて教えてあげるよ。
Yeah, what you end up gonna be doing, you do that all for nothing because I don't think the master's gonna give up Miyuki that easily.
主から取り戻すってことか。
そのためにこの子たちを身代わりにするつもりか。
身代わりってタカマたちとみゆきを交換するってこと？
主は生贄を欲してる。多くの生贄を下って初めて主の世界が広がるんだ。私は主の手足となってお前たちを連れて行く。その代わりにみゆきを返してもらう。
主が巫女を返すはずがない。君は騙されている。
I know, that's what I've been saying. You're being tricked.
だからといってみゆきを私の運命の子供を見殺しにはできない。
運命の子供？じゃあレナモにとってのみゆきは僕にとってのタカマなの？
そうだ。お前たち世界に数十年前、多くの子供たちがお前たちと同じようにこの世界に迷い込んだ。その中にいた二人の子供、水瀬ゆきと水瀬明葉。お前のことだ。水瀬明葉教授。いや、春。
Uh-oh. Looks like she reveals the professor's secret.
はあ？じゃあみゆきって教授のお姉さん？いくらこっちとあっちで時間の流れが違うって言っても教授とみゆきじゃ年がおかしいだろ。
みゆきは特別だからな。時の流れに刻りされているんだ。みゆきは水瀬の美穂だ。世界をつなぐ歌を操ることができる。みゆきはその力で神秘の盾で秋春、お前だけを元の世界に戻したんだ。
じゃあ教授はこの世界に来るのが2度目だってことか？
そうだ。レナもここで見たお前の幻が教えてくれた。私の記憶の蓋、心臓を隠す今日、あの悪趣味な幻は全てを取り払った。私はみゆき姉さんを置いて元の世界に戻り、そしてこの世界で感じた恐怖と記憶に蓋をしてしまったんだ。
お前を逃がしたせいでみゆきは主に捕らえられ、魂半分を奪われた。その影響か。私が生き残った仲間を寄付せ、みゆきを奪還した時には彼女の自我をかばう失っていた。お前の身勝手な星のせいでみゆきはこの世界に置き去りにされた。主に取り込まれ、正しく年を取ることも心を動かされることもなくなった。春、お前は自分だけおめおめと元の世界に帰り、置き去りにされたみゆきを見つけたんだ。
Hao didn't abandon Miyuki. Miyuki saved Hao by opening a portal and she sent him back to his own world.
みゆきはお前を救うために心を壊されて傷ついたのに。なのにそんな状態でも彼女は弟を待ち続けていたんだ。弟は生きてきてくる。みゆきはそう信じていた。そう思わないと本当に壊れてしまうから。だから私はこの姿で彼女を支え続けた。お前がみゆきのそばにいた頃の姿で。
Yep, I knew it. I knew that Renamon was disguising himself as Hao the whole time.
私はずっとお前の影帽子でいたんだ。お前がこの老いぼれになるまでずっと一人で彼女を助け守ってきたんだ。
レナもすまなかった。それは償いきれないほどの大きな罪だ。
そうだ。あがない罪の行き先は死だ。お前たちは全員主の生贄になってる。
待ってくれ。タクマたちはこの話に関係がない。
あるさ。みゆきを取り戻すための交換材料だ。私の目的は復讐ではない。だが結果としてお前たちは死なねばならない。
しかし
私にとってお前の姿を取り続けることがどれだけ屈辱的か分かっていれば、私の意志が固いことも分かるはずだ。
When we were back in the real world, Miyuki just seems just like any other girl. That's why I can imagine what Redamon must have been going through, but even so...
レナも僕には主がミコを解放するなんてどうしても思えない。みゆきを取り戻すためにすべきなのは生贄を捧げることなのか。本当にみゆきを取り戻したいのなら僕たちで声を届けるべきだ。
私たちの声はきっとみゆきに届く。だからレナもレナも
And she's not gonna listen to us, and she's probably gonna kill us.
お前たちの声ばかりが耳に届くなど認めない。おとなしく彼女のために生贄となれ。それがお前たちにできるたった一つの償いだ。
ごちゃごちゃうるせえ。好き勝手なことばっかり言ってんじゃねえぞ。償いだかなんだか知らねえが生贄になんかされてたまるか。てめえがその気なら俺は容赦しねえ。
やるぜ。
Okay, how many Digimon am I gonna able to use this time? I better hope I can use more than 4. Redamon! Digivolve to Cubimon! Oh no, she warped Digivolve into Talmon!
立ちはだかる者は私の敵だ。
Ah man, oh okay wait. I got 4 on the map, so I get, if I put 3 more, that should be 7 in torso. I'll put you here. I'll put you here. And you still need to level up, so I'm gonna put you here. Oh no.
早めに終わらせる。
Okay. How many enemies in total? See, 2, 4, 6. Okay, I think this might be 8 enemies, so I'm gonna go this way. Ooh, I can attack from far away. Okay. This way. Ah! I almost kill him. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. I may be able to be helpful on this side.
Yoshi, 俺が行こう。
I'm gonna digivolve him
絶対に
first.
行くんだ。すべては整った。
Ah! I better Digivolve first just in case. I guess I should move and then I'll just use my regular attack. Oh man, she bought reinforcements. Come on. Guess I go stand here and attack this way. I'll go this way. And I'm gonna go that way. Maybe that treasure has another item I need to digivolve my allies to Omega. Ah, man, still alive. Can I reach him from there? Nope. Guess I could attack him. Ah, come on. Guess I'll stay here. Oh man, how could you attack from there? That is insane right now. Oh man, it only took out one. Oh well. Okay, what's going on now? Oh, Neil's here.
ここからはうちも一緒に戦うから力を合わせて倒しましょう。
シャコモン、よかった、無事だったんだな。
ミオはね、そんなやわじゃないのよ。でもすっごく嫌な幻を見せられて超嫌な気分だったし、うちめちゃくちゃ怒ってるから絶対許さないからね。
And some reinforcements. What? More enemies? We gotta regroup.
Anzuruna, 早めに終わらせる。暴れてやる。
maybe I could attack you from here. I guess I could press talk. Guess I'll move this side. And I'll just use my wiggle attack on you. Ah! Come on, that was gonna be a no. Never mind. Okay, talk. Let's see. Maybe I'll move over there. I don't think Digimon is strong enough to take down Taiwan. Let's see. Do I have any items I could upgrade the power skills? Let's see. Nope. Guess I'll just end my turn here. Okay, for some reason I can't use talk on Sobusmon. Maybe because Sobus doesn't have a power of healing? Yeah, maybe that's the reason. Or maybe Ali can control despair. Anyway, let's just focus on the fight. Well, anyways, I get to move this way. Ooh, and you got beat up. Let's see. Yeah, maybe I'll move a little closer so I can finish you personally. Wow! Yeah, better see. Yeah, better move this way. Because I don't think these team could take him down by themselves. Okay, I'm gonna go take those two down so they don't bottle Digimon. And I'll take you down. Yeah, I don't think the other team's gonna make it in time, so... But I'll do my best as I can. Okay, maybe I could finish her off. Poke. Okay, and then I'm gonna go. You know what? Ah, I can't give myself an item, so I will fall back. I'll deal with you guys. Wait, can she reach from here? Nope. Let's see if she can reach from. Oh, there you go. Get him! Get him! Get him! Okay, I guess there's one more enemy to go. Just gotta make sure that I don't mess up. And you got poke. Won.
レナモン、僕たちの勝ちだ。まだ。もうやめてよ。これ以上戦ったら本当に死んじゃうよ。私は負けてない。負けて。
君とみゆきの間に強い絆があるのは分かっている。私は君からみゆきを奪ったりはしない。
嘘だ。だってお前はみゆきを見捨てて。
嘘などつくものか。私は感謝しているのだ。君が辛い思いをしたことはよく分かった。私の存在が君をどれだけ苦しめたかも、どれだけ私を恨んでもらっても構わない。しかし今は協力してほしい。主の言葉を信じたところで君に待つのはさらなる忍耐の日々だけだろうから。
何を言う。
私は君にこれ以上の苦しみを与えたくない。そしてみゆきにも。
だからお前がみゆきを語るな。
主が約束を守る保証などない。賢い君なら分かっているはずだった。それでも約束にすがってしまったのは 他に方法がなかったからなのだろう。だがそもそも最初にみゆきを脅かしたのは主だ。そして今度は君が主に騙され苦しめられたと知ったら、
その時一番悲しむのはみゆきだよ。
レナモン、姉さんを、みゆきを主の手から取り戻そう。あの日私たちがするべきだったことを今成し遂げるんだ。
私は
Uh-oh! The master is here.
誰だ。
Uh-oh, this is bad. Really bad.
やはり思い出だ。幼頃あり、お前もまた力なきただの獣であったか。
みゆき、いや、主、違う、これは。
And they brought reinforcements. Uh-oh. Owie, snap out of it! Those are not Saskis! This is bad. Owie's not safe to join this battle.
葵さん、下がってて。
愚かなり裏切り者に天誅を。
来るぞ、気をつけろ。
そこにはいないのか。みゆき。
お前が寄り添っていた時とは違う。巫女の魂は我が内に沈んだ。いくら訴えかけたとて声など届くはずもない。獣ごときの言葉に応じる必要などあるまい。
I told you that the master will betray you, Ramon.
騙したんだ。私レナモン、耳を貸しちゃダメだ。みゆきはあの城で教授の声に応えた。みゆきの魂はまだきっと主のそばにある。我が運命のこと、私の声聞いてくれ。みゆき、頼む、私の声に応えてくれ。みゆき。
くだらぬ。巫女はすでに我が手中にあり。
違う。みゆきはお前のものなんかじゃない。あの笑顔も歌声も優しい心もお前なんか持ってていいものじゃないんだ。みゆきを放て。これは。
Wait, is he gonna make a D-evolve?
そうだ、レナモン、私たちの思いを力に変えてくれ。
レナモン、マーシー進化。
She's D-evolving. Ramon, Wolf D-evolve too? Sayaka-mon.
Sakuyamon.
Oh, Psychiomon. Sorry, I mispronounced the name. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna add... Okay, those 2, so... I guess I'll add 3 more. Let's see. I'll add you. I'll add you, and then I'll add you. Sorry, everybody else, I can't add you guys. Okay, all enemies defeated. I'll lose if all my allies are defeated. Okay, before we move on battling against the Master's minions, I'm gonna go stop and take a break. So until next time, this is Anime Game Otaku 95.